Hello everyone, welcome to Coding by Heart. In this video we are going to create S3 bucket. S3 means simple storage service. First of all, we will understand theoretical concept, and after that we are going to create practically S3 bucket. So let's start. Just focus on left hand side. So in S3, what type of data we are going to store? You can store analytics data, you can store log files, application data, videos and pictures, backup, and any type of archival. So basically move your data to Amazon S3 from wherever it lives, in the cloud, in application, or on premise. This type of data you are going to store it directly to Amazon S3. You can store any amount of data, or you can fetch any amount of data into that S3 bucket. So what you need to do? You need to do just create a bucket, specify the region, in which region you are going to create that bucket, and which policy is applicable, means who are going to access that bucket. You can apply policy also, right? Control access, who can access your data, optimize cost, replicate data to any region. For example, you have stored data in North Virginia, right? Now you want to replicate this data into different regions. So this also possible. You can replicate your data into any region. You can access this data from on-premise or VPC. You can protect and secure your data also, and gain visibility into storage. Also, you can include artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, machine learning to analyze your data. What type of data is stored in S3, and you need to, I think this is theoretical part is sufficient. Now directly we jump into practical session. So to log into your AWS account, just search S3, type S3 here, click to S3. Once you click to S3, it will render S3 dashboard. Click to create bucket. You need to put unique name of your bucket. So I will put my bucket name is Coding by Heart bucket. On which region? I am going to create this bucket Asia specific region. Then object ownership, ACL disable, ACL enable. ACL disable, it is recommended, so we will choose that ACL disable. After that, block all public access. By default, all public access is disabled. You are not able to fetch any data into that S3 bucket. For example, if you have put any data into S3, by default it is publicly disabled. So just uncheck this block, acknowledge this, and bucket versioning, yes, I don't want bucket versioning, so this option make as default disabled. Tag is optional. Default encryption, for example, if you want to put any encryption, then you can enable. I don't want any encryption, so just disable. And now click to create bucket. Now bucket is successfully created. Just select that bucket and click to that bucket name. This different options is there in that bucket, so you can check properties, permissions, metrics, management, and access point. Now we are going to upload files into that bucket. So just click to upload. What we are going to put? We are going to put files or folders. Yes, I am going to put files. Just click to add files, and I want to upload this image, so I am going to click this one. So open, destination details and all this thing is there. Just click to upload. Upload did succeed. Once upload succeeded is done, just click to close. Now you have uploaded S3 GIF image. Just click to that image. This is information about that image. Now I want to fetch this image. Okay, so this is object URL. whatever thing you are going to store in that s3, it called as object. So s3 j have one object, and this is url. Copy link and paste here. Access denied, you are not able to access, right? Now you want to provide access, public access of that object. So just go to buckets, click to that bucket, select and click to permissions tab. Block public access is there. Yes, block all public access off. Now you want to provide some policy to access that object. Just click to edit button, and here is a policy generator is there. So you need to generate a policy and you need to paste policy here. So already I have opened policy generator. You need to just click to policy generator. So this window will open. Select type of policy. S3 bucket policy is there, right? Which operation effect you want to allow or deny? Yes, I want to fetch, means I want to select here allow. Principal, this is applicable for user, entity, AWS account, all what kind of thing. So this is applicable for all. So I will put a star mark. AWS service S3. Action, which action? Yes, I want to get object. So here different actions are there. You need to select appropriate action according to your requirement. I will select get object and get object ACL. Okay, you need to provide Amazon resource name. This policy is applicable for which resource? So this is one our resource is there. So just click to that bucket Amazon resource name and paste here. Click to add statement. Yes, this statement is added. Principal, anything, effect, allow, action, which action? S3 get object, S3 get object ACL, resource name, and condition is we have not provided any condition. Click to generate policy. This policy is generated. Just you need to copy this policy and come to previous window and paste. And click to save changes. Might be you will face some issue here. Action does not apply to any resource in statements. Okay, I will explain why this thing. Action does not apply to any resource. So in this policy resource name this is okay, but now this policy is applicable not only for this Amazon resource name, not is applicable for this bucket, it is applicable for under that bucket whatever object is stored, right? So whatever is there under that bucket, it is applicable for those. So that's why you need to provide slash and whatever is there, anything like star. Then you need to click to save changes. Now successfully edited bucket. Then go to again object, then click to that image and again copy link. Now we are able to successfully fetch that image. Hope you like.